Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.07% today. Market was just kind of vacillating around zero, up and down, and really seems to be waiting for tomorrow. The PCE number is going to be released, the personal consumption expenditures. This is an inflation measure that the Federal Reserve prefers to look at. It is for May, comes out very late, and so we'll see what happens. In the previous inflation reports that we saw from CPI and others, May was a high inflation month. We'll see what PCE has to say about this also. If the number comes out better, than the market expects, we could see a little bit of a rally from here. And when we look at the charts and we look at kind of the support and resistance, there's an awful lot of resistance above, and we keep running into that. That's probably why we had that big downturn yesterday, at least partly. There is a little bit of support below. We hit that today once, so it's kind of stuck between these. It's going to take something of good or bad news to move it one way or another as far as that goes. We still believe that this is a time to be super careful. The indicators that we're watching, are making us nervous about further deterioration in the stock market. And so, we've reduced our exposure and, basically set it up so that we have a little bit more security at this point in time. We could obviously lose some if the market does take off to the upside, but I think here we just want to be careful. And the market's going to have a really hard time taking off to the upside without a pretty massive catalyst of some type, like Ukraine, Russia resolving itself overnight or something, that would be kind of a wild outlook, just because there's so much, overhead resistance. So I feel safe in being safe right here, just because there's actually quite a bit of room to run to the downside if we wanted. We can go all the way back down to the October, September lows of 2020. So definitely don't want to be, too exposed to the market. We'll continue to watch. We'll continue to see what's going to happen and reduce exposure if we need to, if things do deteriorate. So anyway, that's what's happening right now. Look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow when they release that PCE report, and we'll see you then. Thank you.